OnePlus Nord 5, a detailed specification breakdown. The OnePlus Nord 5, launched in India on 8 July 2025, positions itself as a premium mid-range smartphone that brings together flagship-level performance and a feature-rich experience. With a starting price around 30,499 rupees for the 8GB RAM and 256GB storage variant, it targets users who demand high performance without a flagship price tag. The phone is available in multiple colors, including Phantom Grey, Marble Sands, and Dry Ice. Design aesthetics. The Nord 5 features a slim 8.1mm profile with a slightly rounded frame, offering a premium feel. It has an IP65 rating for dust and water resistance, providing a degree of durability against splashes and light rain. The device houses an in-display fingerprint sensor for secure and convenient unlocking. Display technology. A key highlight is the 6.83-inch Swift AMOLED display. With a 1.5K resolution, 2800x1272 pixels, and a fast 144 Hz refresh rate, it delivers an incredibly smooth and vibrant viewing experience. The screen boasts a peak brightness of 1800 nits, ensuring excellent visibility even in bright sunlight, and includes Aqua Touch technology for improved responsiveness with wet hands. Processing power. Under the hood, the OnePlus Nord 5 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 mobile platform. This powerful chipset, combined with up to 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 512GB of UFS 3.1 storage, ensures a fast and fluid experience for demanding tasks like high-end gaming and multitasking. A large VC cooling system helps maintain stable performance during extended gaming sessions. Camera capabilities. The phone features a dual-camera setup on the rear, led by a 50MP Sony LVIT700 sensor with optical image stabilization (OIS) and an 8MP ultra-wide lens. For selfies and video calls, there's a 50MP front-facing camera with autofocus. Both front and rear cameras support 4K video recording at 60 frames per second and are enhanced with AI features like AI Eraser, AI Unblur, and AI Reframe. Connectivity options. The OnePlus Nord 5 supports 5G Advanced, promising faster internet speeds and a more stable connection. It is equipped with dual nano SIM slots, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.4. For audio, it includes dual stereo speakers with noise cancellation. Operating system experience. Running on Android 15 with Oxygen OS 15, the phone is promised to receive 4 major Android version upgrades and 6 years of security updates. It also integrates OnePlus AI and Google AI, Gemini, for enhanced features like AI Voice Scribe and Circle 2 Search. Battery life and charging. With a massive 6,800 mAh battery, the Nord 5 is designed for extended use. It supports 80W SuperVOOC fast charging, which can provide a full day's power with just a short charge. It also supports bypass charging, which directly powers the phone from the charger to reduce heat buildup during intense use. Customer insights and feedback. User reviews generally praise the phone's exceptional battery life and fast charging, and the camera is noted for its clarity and natural colors. The powerful processor and fluid 144 Hz display are also frequently highlighted as major positives, with some reviewers noting its ability to handle demanding games with ease. While generally positive, some minor mixed feedback has been noted regarding potential heating issues under specific loads. The phone's value proposition at its price point is a strong selling point for many users.